extend their support to these protesting farmers. What's that? What do you think that how is this bill is going to affect the farmers?
It is going to affect them very greatly. See, first of all, the government is not undertaking the MSP in it, which is a very big factor which raises eyebrows. And secondly, if you do everything about privatization, then everything is going to go in the hands of the private people. Then where will the mandis go? Where will the marketing committees go? Where will the farmers go with their crops if the private people will start ruling over them? So that is, I think, one of the main reasons why everybody is affected from this.
So, Isha, people from different sectors are also coming here and they are extending their support to this protest which is now taking place. Once again, I would just take one more question from this man who has come here, because he, along with his few volunteers, I've seen him distributing foods, and we are also seeing people coming from different parts of Delhi coming here distributing foods and other materials to these protesting farmers who are protesting here. For how long this protest will continue, and for how long you will be supporting these farmers?
We will be supporting them until the government, the central government, relieves them with their demands and talks to them. See, first of all, they are not being entered inside the Delhi. The first clause is that they should be entered inside the Delhi and they should be allowed to keep their talks. It's been so long since these people have been protesting, and it seems that there is no end towards it.
So that's the point which they are also raising, that the farmers continue to protest and they will also come here to continue their support to the farmers who are protesting. And we are showing you the live pictures of this protest.